Hi everyone, welcome to Sai's Kitchen. Today, let's see how to make Pudina or mint pulao for kids' lunchbox. You will need 1 cup of mint leaves, 1 cup of sliced onions, 1 diced potato, 1 cup of basmati rice, 1 bay leaf, few cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 cloves, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 to 3 green chilies. In a small mixer jar, add the mint leaves, green chilies and make a paste with little water. Place the pressure cooker on medium flame. Add 3 teaspoons of ghee, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil gets heated, add cinnamon sticks, cloves and bay leaf. To this, add the sliced onions and saute for a minute. Now add the ginger garlic paste and saute it till the onions turn golden brown. Now add the diced potatoes and mix it well. Add the ground mint and green chili paste and saute for a minute. Add salt to taste. Now to this add the soaked basmati rice and mix it well. Add 1.5 cup of water for 1 cup of basmati rice. Now check for salt and adjust accordingly. Once it starts boiling, close the lid and pressure cook for 7 to 10 minutes or for a whistle in a low flame. Open after the pressure is completely released. Lunchbox special Pudina Pulao is ready. Garnish with fried cashews and serve along with fryams. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.